Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, October 24th. Let's take a look at that NASDAQ market and see what's going on with that. We saw some weakness coming into it. Abe-san and Japan had a good election result. That was good for that. But if we look at the U.S., GE really did get hit, and that right now it's looking towards its biggest loss in 8 years, so the market really became a little skittish about that. We also see Hasbro not coming up with the sales estimate that the market is looking for, that Wall Street's looking for. So we see some weakness. The real key here is what happens in Asia and Europe. I do look for further movement to the downside, but not a dramatic move in the Asia session. If it holds its own and Europe is unchanged, I'm looking for an up day or an inside day on Tuesday. Let's move on over to the dollar. The bullish action that we're seeing here potentially for the euro, the dollar is still dominant, but I think we have the chance of an inside to higher day on Tuesday in that market. The Swissy traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $250 a contract, and I do look for that possibility of that market strengthening on Tuesday. Also, notes have firmed up a bit. I don't look for strong follow through, but rather an inside day on Tuesday for that market. The gold market also wants to go higher. I have my doubts about its ability to do that, but that is what I'm looking for right now, unchanged to higher in that market. Crude oil is just not too sure what to do. I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. And in natural gas, it traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market is $550 a contract. I don't look for strong follow through to the downside in that market either, but rather a quiet, unchanged, a slightly lower type move. Well, soybeans are firming up for a move to the upside. Can we get paper to support it? I think we could in this market. I do look for an update on Tuesday. Wheat also traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change here between the bearish and bullish levels in that market is $150 a contract, and I don't look for a big day on Tuesday, but an up day. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.